Hi, and welcome to Seesaw. We are so glad you are here today. We are going to learn how to make a video in Seesaw using your tablet. Make sure you are logged into Seesaw and ready to go.
Find the Add button to add something new to your journal.
You can find the Add button here at the top of your screen. Tap the Add button now. Find the picture of the video camera to make a video. It looks like this. You can find the video button here. Click it now. It's time to record our video. I am going to talk about my art project. You can talk about something you made or something you like about your classroom. Before we do that, let me tell you about the steps we are going to take to record our video. You will hold your tablet to make your video. When you know what you are going to say, you will push one of the 3 green video camera buttons. There is one here, here, or here. Once you press the button, you will see that you have started recording your video. Your screen will look like this. If you need to stop recording, press one of the 3 red pause buttons. The red pause buttons are here. When you are done recording your video, press the green check. The green check looks like this. You can find it here at the top of your screen. You might get a note that your video is processing, which just means we need to wait while it gets ready. Then, boom! We've got our first video. Before we go on, let's make your video. Okay, think about what you are going to say and do before you start recording. Ready? Tap one of the green camera buttons now, and then tap the green check when you are done recording your video. We will wait. Great work! Our video is ready. Now we can add a caption to our video, letting people know what it is about. You can tap the caption button down here to type in your caption. I'm going to call this My Art Project. If you want to caption your video, tap the caption button now. And finally, it's time to save our video. Find the green check again to save your video to your journal. Remember, it looks like this. You can find the green check here. Tap the green check to save.
Oh, and if it asks, make sure to tap the box next to your name to save your work to the right place.
You did it! You can try it again and again for fun. See you again soon here at Seesaw.